In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively utilize Framer grids for more efficient and aesthetically pleasing layouts. Our journey begins once you have an existing stack selected. Navigate to the panel found on the right-hand side of your screen. There, you will find a section aptly named Layout. Once inside this section, it's time to change the status quo, moving away from the standard stack setting and deeply into the world of the grid. Now, let's pivot towards harnessing the supremely useful Grid tool. This can be accomplished by manually selecting the Grid tool, or for those who love a good shortcut, pressing Shift-G on your keyboard. Once this tool is activated, draw a frame directly onto your canvas. Magic happens, and your frame automatically transforms itself into a grid. It's at this juncture that we commence fine-tuning our grid. The beauty of a grid lies in its rows and columns, which you can easily change in the layout settings. Whether you want a high-detail grid with numerous smaller components or a minimalist design with larger items, you're in full control of the grid environment. To further customize your workspace, you can adjust the spaces between each item on your grid. The gap setting is your pathway to precisely controlling the spacing between variables. Need room around the outside? The padding setting has got you covered. You're also able to regulate the size of individual items within the grid. For instance, you can even have one item spanning multiple columns for an emphasized display. Having a responsive grid that can adapt to various screen sizes is essential. And Framer Grids answers the call with options that allow you to set the width to responsive alternatives, like fill. Employ responsive units like percentages to ensure your layout morphs smoothly and appears pleasing irrespective of screen size. Last, but by no means least, it's time to adjust for breakpoints. Moving across different breakpoints, such as those meant for tablets and mobile devices, allows you to optimize grid settings to ensure your layout appears perfect no matter the screen size. By altering the grid settings at each breakpoint, you weave a cohesive and user-friendly experience across all devices. This is a game changer in responsive design. Through this tutorial, we've explored the power of Framer grids in creating better layouts. Remember, the grid isn't just a tool, but a canvas for your creativity. Happy designing!